Hi guys, this is Derek. Welcome to my channel. Here we see in the video is our 4-wheel drive forklift Land Tiger 35 Pro. It can handle rough terrain in a stable situation, even when it handles a heavy object of 3 tons. It can work smoothly on outdoor construction sites. Our customers are full of confidence in its performance, and it can be challenged even on more complex roads and heavier goods. It is a heavy-duty off-road forklift worth owning. If you want to learn more, please contact me. Our factory produces 3 to 10 tons of 4-wheel drive forklifts. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.